Hi, this is Paul with Save, Grow, Prosper. And today I want to talk to you about the insane interest returns you can get by lending out USDT. For those of you that have been following my channel, about a week ago, I recommend lending USDC out on Kucoin to get about a 30% return. Since that time, there's been such a demand for Tether that the interest rates have gone to 50 and sometimes 60% to loan Tether to customers who are trading on margin. So we're going to log into our Kucoin account and I'll show you how to convert your USDC to Tether. So if I click on my assets, you will see in my my main account, well, let's just click on that and you'll see my balances. I've got some USDC and I have a little bit of Tether. So I got $251 to Tether. So we need to transfer that to the trading account. Main account to trading account. We're going to transfer all of it. And then we're going to trade. We'll do we'll trade our USDC to Tether. So we'll need to find that trading pair. So we will look under the USD and we'll look for the USD USDC to USDT trading pair. And we are going to, I need to put in my trading password to be able to trade, and we want to sell our USDC. So we're going to do a market trade. I'm going to sell all my USDC, and it trades at a 1-to-1 value pretty much. So we're going to sell that. And if we go back to our assets, trading account, you will see that I now have $251, the same amount I had. And I'm going to transfer back over to my main account. From the trading account to the main account, all of it, confirm. Now we'll go back to our main account, assets, main account. And you'll see now I have $474 available of USDT. And what we want to do is just click on lend. And the current rates, daily rate is 1.67%, which is an annualized return of 60%. And this refreshes is pretty fast as the amount gets taken, it gets borrowed. So you can see 60.95, 60.59%. So what we want to do is we want to lend 100% of our USDT for 14 days. And so if we look, like right now, it's 0.167 is the high rate. So if we want to make sure that our loan gets filled first, we'll put in 0.16, and that'll be an estimated profit of $5 over 10% just in 1 week. So just click lend, confirm, and it's not even showing up here because it was already taken, because right now it's 64%. And if we go over to assets again, in the main account, you will see that all of it has been loaned out. Assets overview, and you'll be able to see that I currently have $2,400 loaned out in I got it all converted now from USDC to USDT, and I'm getting anywhere from 50 to 60% annual returns currently. And this will fluctuate as the demand increases and decreases, but I haven't seen Tether below 30% in months. So you may ask, why would someone be willing to pay 1.7 or 1.6% a day, 60% a year to borrow Tether? And my next video will show how to use a Kucoin trading bot, which can get you 10, 20, 30% a day returns on crypto, and sometimes much higher, which is why people are in demand and wanting USDT, because of the USDT trading pairs that are available. So if you found this video helpful, please hit the like and subscribe button, and stay tuned to our next video where I'll show you how to set up a Kucoin trading bot. Thank you.